Does anyone know Garfield's favorite food? Well, that's what we're making on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This is gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a fix trucker, but she's not a shit. Welcome back, guys. As I said, we are making Garfield's favorite food tonight. If you haven't figured out what it is, it's lasagna, of course. I figured everyone know that anyway, but that's alright, whatever. This is courtesy of OneDishKitchen.com. If you don't know what we do, guys, we go online, find a recipe, pick the stuff at the store, come home, cook it. Simple as that. We've been doing this for 103 days, I believe we're on now. 103 days in my 365-day cooking challenge, guys. And it is day 43, I believe, or 42 of the world record attempt that we're doing. And that is cooking a different recipe off the internet every day without ever repeating. And as I said, we've done 42, and it has been a blast so far. We have an application in with Guinness. We're looking to see what they say. We'll find out soon enough. Anyway, guys, let's get to this lasagna. So we're going to start with a ricotta sauce. It calls for ricotta cheese and 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. And just mix it together. So we got our oil heated up in a pan, guys. So we're going to start by frying our onions for a few minutes until tender. Now we're going to add our garlic and cook for another minute or two. Fragrant. Now we're going to add our meat. Our Italian seasoning, pepper, and salt, and cook till no longer pink. And finally, we're going to add our tomato sauce and let it simmer for 3 minutes. So welcome back, guys. We're about ready to make our lasagna. Just so you know, if you're wondering, I made a double recipe here because this is a recipe for 1 or 2, and I have 4. So if you're wondering about the quantities, if you look at the recipe versus this, that's the reason. Anyway, guys, now let's build this lasagna. Alright, we're going to pop that in the oven for about a half hour on the bottom rack here, or until it's bubbly brown. Alright, welcome back, guys. Lasagna's out. It's looking good. It's a little sloppier than I expected, but hey, whatever. As long as it tastes good, I really don't care. We'll find that out, though. See what she tastes like here. About lasagna though, tastes pretty damn good. That's really what matters. Alright, guys, I'm not happy with that at all. Come take a look at the date and time. It is Wednesday the 15th of April 2020 at 6:31 p.m. on the Love of Biscuit Shores. That's just for our world record to establish proof. Anyway, guys, this has been another Cooking with Jon. If you like what you see, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see me cook something, throw it in the comments. Love to hear from you. Next time, we'll see you later, guys.